We brewed the first batch of Star Hill beer almost 2 decades ago, right on Main Street in the heart of Charlottesville at the old Star Hill Music Hall. Our dream was simple: bring people together through great beer. We've grown a lot since then, traveled to new places, met lots of great friends, seen some amazing music, and shared some delicious beer.
I'll consider our quality program one of the top for our size brewery in the country. I can say confidently now in 2015 that we're making the best beer we've ever made. You can taste the difference.
Here in the foothills of the Blue Ridge Mountains, our hardworking crew is inspired to craft great times through quality, world-class beer, developing innovative and diverse new styles, while offering fresh takes on our old favorites. Craft beer and Star Hill have come a long way since 1999, and it's thanks to you, fans of great beer. You've given us the opportunity to do what we love and be part of the craft movement, starting from our roots in Virginia and now beyond. So whether we see you at our brewery tap room in Crozet, Virginia, the Sunny Summer Music Festival, or your favorite neighborhood spot, we raise a glass to crafting great times, sharing great beer, and to you. Cheers.